Hey everybody, got a quick video. If your bathroom mirror is foggy when you take a shower and the fan is not working properly, you may just need to clean the fan off. You probably just need to take the face off and then just go ahead and clean it. So here I just did mine. I was working on it, held it over a trash can and did it because I put the vacuum hose up with the brush and it just wasn't getting it, getting the dust from the crevices. So I got a toothpick and I did it that way. I set it over the trash can and just, scrape. Over time, the dust collects and the air doesn't circulate properly. And so the exhaust fan doesn't do its job in the bathroom. So you'll notice that even, you have the fan on, you're taking a shower, but the mirror still fogs up. So the exhaust fan isn't working properly. Some people think they have to replace the exhaust fan, but 9 times out of 10, it's just probably been a while since you cleaned it. And what happens is you just have dust build up. So I just took it off, got the toothpick, cleaned both sides. And like I said, the vacuum hose was not doing it because this dust was settled in and caked into the spaces in the vent cover. So that's what I had to do. And then I went up there and vacuum. You see how that dust collects? And I get the vacuum hose and I wound up vacuuming that as well because over time that can kill the engine because it's working so hard to circulate the air. So you want to be careful. And this cover has prongs on it. You just kind of compress them and they stick into the little grooves there. So the way you take it off is the way you put it back on. Just be careful. That's the way I did mine. Just, vacuum it up, sweep it, clean it so that air circulates. You probably don't have to buy another exhaust fan, but just be careful what you do. That's how I did mine. It's just telling you how I did mine. It's not instruction, just information. But at any rate, it worked pretty good. And I didn't have to buy a new fan. So if you run into this problem, try that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.